I've been in Santa Lucia for almost 2 years, and yung memorable book sale ko was last year in December because during that time, nanghihingi ako ng sign kay Lord. So, middle of December, lucky nakabenta ako ng 3 consecutive sales. Actually, it's not only the goal, but opportunity to grow both personally and professionally. And lalo-lalo na yung mga skills and trainings na naka-help din sa akin para mag-improve at mag-succeed sa marketing. With your dedication and right tools, Santa Lucia can empower you to achieve your dreams and build the life you've always wanted. Ako si Jenny Ansidero, isang in-house salesperson, and I am proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing Davao. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.